Choosing the right cordless drill can be tricky. Weak torque, short battery life, bulky designs, or poor control often ruin DIY and repair work. A good drill should be powerful, comfortable, and reliable for everyday tasks. That's why today I'm covering the top 5 best cordless drills. Perfect for home DIY, woodworking, metalwork, and light professional use. We researched product specs and real user feedback to rank these tools based on power, features, and value. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tool reviews. Number 5. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Cordless Drill. The ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill is a compact and lightweight rotary tool designed for precision DIY tasks. It's ideal for crafts, wood, plastic, aluminum, and coin engraving work. The rechargeable battery offers cordless convenience, while the smooth rotation ensures clean and accurate results. Its ultra-portable design makes it easy to handle for beginners and hobbyists. Perfect for small home projects, repairs, and creative work, this drill focuses on control and usability rather than heavy-duty power. Number 4. WORX WU135 12-volt cordless electric drill. The WORX WU135 is a powerful 12-volt cordless drill featuring 50 Nm torque and speeds up to 1800 RPM. It includes a smart clutch system with auto stop, improving precision and preventing overdriving screws. With 2-speed adjustment, it handles both drilling and screw driving efficiently. Designed for metalworking and home use, this drill offers excellent balance, strong performance, and reliable control. It's a great choice for users who want smart features in a compact, professional-grade tool. Number 3. YOFIDRA Brushless Impact Drill. The YOFIDRA Impact Drill delivers serious power with an impressive 900 Nm of torque and a brushless motor for higher efficiency and longer lifespan. It features a 20+3 torque setting and a 13 mm chuck, making it suitable for drilling wood, metal, and heavy-duty fastening. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers flexibility for users with existing tools. This drill is built for demanding tasks and users who need high torque, durability, and professional-level performance. Number 2. HERZO 300W Corded Electric Drill. The HED30S is a reliable 300-watt corded power drill designed for consistent performance without battery limitations. It features a 10 mm keyless chuck, torque screwdriver function, and a compact, portable body. Ideal for home repairs, furniture assembly, and light workshop tasks, it delivers steady power and precise control. If you want a budget-friendly drill with dependable performance and no charging downtime, this corded model is a solid and practical option. Number 1. DEKO 20V Cordless Electric Drill Kit. The DEKO 20V cordless electric drill takes the top spot with its excellent balance of power, features, and value. It offers 2 variable speeds, 18+1 torque settings, and comes as a complete 29-piece drill set. The 1.5 Ah battery and included charger provide reliable cordless operation for daily tasks. Ideal for DIY, home maintenance, and light professional work, this all-in-one kit is perfect for users who want versatility, convenience, and strong performance in one package. Cordless drills make DIY and repair work faster and easier. These 5 models offer a mix of power, portability, and value for different needs. Whether you're a hobbyist or a serious DIYer, there's a perfect drill here. Which one fits your work style? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.